what is a habit you are recently trying to change? And what strategies did you use to achieve it? Please.
When we start to think about energy, vibration, and frequency, everything's going to change. Everything's going to change. Because master of the session, inviters, and guests, welcome to our club. Well, the problem is that I get mad very quick, very mad. I think it's tough. So that's what I need to change with emotional intelligence. So what I propose to myself is to see myself in front of the mirror and start to tell me that I have that intelligence, that I have that emotion to control. Because when somebody does something against myself, I just want to kill him. I just want to destroy it. I just want to do everything to support my courage. But that courage that I have is my energy. So I have to control it. I have to see that my emotions are better if I control them and start to love everybody as I love myself. So I need to control that emotions. So emotions, intelligent emotions, is something that I have to learn, something that I have to read, something that I have to improve, something that I have to start over and over again every day when I wake up and see my in front of the mirrors and say, you can do it, but it's up to you. You can do it, but it's up to you. That when you see something that against you to yourself, you just have to relax, just breathe a lot, and relax again, breathe and relax again till everything passes by, and that courage that I have inside of myself start to relax, start to flow. So that's what I want to do. So what I invite you guys is all your energy that you have in yourself, we have to not control it. We have to use it in that emotion to use in our favor. That's all.
Very good.